Okay, you're live. All right, so I'm trying to do three lead code questions today. And I'm trying to be efficient because yesterday I took way too long for one lead code question. And it all came down to me not understanding how C++ works, but I think I should be able to do questions way faster than that, or else I'm just cooked. So I'm gonna try doing somewhere at least two, possibly three questions. And I'm gonna try doing it as efficiently as possible. So not be dumb, be very proactive, and actually just understand what I'm doing. Uh, I don't have the Wacom tablet yet, so I can't draw anything, but I'm gonna keep a notepad or something along those lines, so I can actually know what I'm doing exactly. I'll write some pseudocode basically, so I don't jump into the problem right away. Okay, so let's put on some music. I guess we put on this. Okay, so how most frequent element? We can do this. We can do two pointers. I guess we can do one of each. I'll do arrays and hackers. So let's just do this. I think I attempted this previously, but I couldn't do it. Yeah, it says attempted. Um, see, let me try it again. Hopefully, I'm better. So give it an array. Integer k. Return the k most frequent elements. May return the array. Okay. Is there like an online notepad or something? Hmm. How do I write this down? Okay. Let me see. How do I write this down? Online notepad. So we use this. Okay, cool. So the first thing we want to do is we want to store all our elements. So give it an array. No. K most frequent elements you may return in any order. Okay. We want um we want a hash map, or yeah, we definitely want a hash map to store. So we want a hash map to store number of times an element occurs. So this is number one. But the problem with this is a hash map isn't sorted. So I mean we don't know which is the highest. We just know what each number represents, right? So we somehow need to sort a hash. I mean, that's not exactly what we want to do. So if I have a hash map where this is the key, right? One is the key, and the value is going to be like three. And then another key is going to be two, value is going to be two, and then three is going to be one. Now that's not the way we want to do it, because if we do that, I mean, how are we going to sort it? That's definitely not going to be m log n, I assume. Another way we could do this is we use we use a variable to track the highest, right? And I have an idea. I don't know if this is how this works, but because we're given k, we can have a vector, or we can have an array. Uh, array with k elements, storing the highest, which stores the highest uh, number of elements till now. So what this would do is we hmm. So what I'm thinking is we want a way to store the top most frequent elements in an array. And then we can call that later from the hash map to find all the values, or to find the corresponding values. Uh, hmm. How would we do that? Maybe this is not even a hash. Is this sorted? That's another question I have. Guaranteed answer is unique. K is in the range. Integer, you may answer in any order. So I don't know if this is sorted. It does look sorted, but I don't think it is sorted. How will we do this? So if we have do we want a hash map as a question? I mean, I don't know because we cannot store. Yeah, we can't store the number of times this occurs as the key because well that's gonna change when we iterate through the array. So it's gonna be like 1, 3 or something. But I don't know. I remember how this kind of worked previously. I don't remember exactly, but I think this was like an array of arrays thing where we stored the last value or the last highest number. Maybe I'm like confusing you with another question, but I think that's how that worked previously. So they have let's turn on a little bit. They had array with array, right? So it was like and so it was like this, and then what each value in this thing stored was like it was like it's like I don't exactly remember what was it. Yeah, it was something like we store the current value and then we store the last highest, and then we just push and pop. I don't know. I think that's how that happened. Okay, I'm kind of running out of time. I need to figure this out quickly, but I also don't know how to figure this out because it's really just beyond. But let me see if I can think of this. So if we have an array with an array inside, and then we basically, well, what do we store? We store one, and then we store the largest number of one. Then we store that again. I think I'm confusing this with another question. I have no idea. Min heap. I don't even know what that is. I mean, I don't know how to implement that. I forgot. I just don't know how this shit works. Hmm. Cache retrieval. Is this how you do it? Yeah, I seriously don't know how a heap works. This is bad. So I need to learn this, I guess. Percentage of heap is achieved. Did I do this a while ago? I'm still not sure how it works. Client max client name. Structure. Let's see. Please keep the push. Alright. We push it. See, okay. Top. Okay. 10 to 10. So it automatically just sorts it? Okay. That's interesting. But then how do we... Well, I mean, I guess we do want a max heap, right? I mean, because we want top K frequent elements. But then how would we use this? I guess we first make a hash map and then we iterate through the hash map and add everything to the priority queue. And then we iterate through the priority queue. Or, I don't even think we need to iterate. I guess this has to be O(n) because then we need to first O(n) through it. Okay. And then O(n) through the top two. But I don't know if that's a way to do it. But, I mean, I guess I can try. So what we're doing is alright, then wait, yeah. If we iterate through the hash map, I don't know how to. So when we're iterating through the hash map, we only have the key. I mean, we have the key and value, but I guess we want to sort by the value, but we want to retain the key. Is that even possible? Is that how you push? I guess that's possible. I mean, why wouldn't that be possible? I guess for iterating, or no, we're just iterating, and then we say we. Ah. This doesn't make any sense. I need to go back and learn data structures and algorithms. What are this codes? Let's go back and read this. Count frequencies. Okay. To keep track of the top. Frequency map. Wait, count frequencies. Okay. Keep Q. Keep. quick. Minty no, you can see that. Yes. Okay. This does not have to be this complicated. Just gotta look at the hints over here. Is there anything? Should look at hint. Yeah, input is not sorted. Okay, let's see. 1 second, guy. It's been 20 minutes and I haven't gone anywhere. I believe we definitely need a hash map because that's the only way to count it. Because, well, it's first of all not sorted. So it's literally the only way. I'm gonna do a hash map first. I'm gonna hope I can do it. So, or I guess I could, whatever. No, I'm just doing. And let's say map or and I'll go down. Okay, so now this is gonna just print out. I'm just gonna return this. Oh, that's interesting. I'm gonna just do for I forgot how they iterate through a hash. How was that done again? For like, I don't remember. Auto I in no, not the way to do it. Is it? Hash. I forgot. My fault, guys. Auto INM. Oh, is that really just it? Okay. Or go back. Hide off for a second. Okay. My map. Let's use first. Let's run this to see what happens. I'm stupid. Sorry. Or I guess there's two I's. It's not good, but okay. Um, 3 1 2 2 1 3. So our first is 3, then it's 2, then it's 1. Oh, when it's iterating through, the values are like opposite. Okay. So is there any way to I don't think we can iterate through the values of the hash map or the second of a hash map because that's not how that works. But 1 2 3. So right now the answer would be 1 and 2 because yeah, obviously. Um, okay, so when we iterate through a hash map, I don't think that's so this is O of n. This is also O of n. But they're separate O of n's. I think this is just gonna be O of n. There's what we could do is that's actually a question I want to ask. If I have two separate okay. So when we iterate through the second one, we could do it so that uh we just push everything through like a priority queue based on I dot second. But then the priority queue can a priority queue not I don't know. How do we I need to understand how a priority queue works. Yeah, I guess CPP reference is the way that so is a container that for time. Temporal parameters, stored programs. Push, okay. So insert the element and source the underlying container. Inserts a range of elements and source the underlying container in place. Pop. Swap. Okay. Can we push? What types of values can we push to make a priority queue? Okay. String. Oh, I guess this is what we need then. We need a priority queue with like a pair. So I guess this is what we need. Okay. Let's try that, I guess. I guess that's the only thing I can think of. Priority queue. And then we can have pair. Wait, what's a pair? I see. But how do we if I make a pair over here, right? How is this getting sorted by the priority queue? That's the question I want to ask. Because over here I could say PQ dot push my map or I guess. Well, what the hell is this put like how what is this even returning? I don't understand what it's returning. For wow, this is wild. Empty. Okay. Empty. Oh, it's not empty. You want to do. Why can't I undo? What's going on? Why can't I? What the? What's going on? I don't really know. Something is wrong. Vim is bugging. Okay, it's gonna work. No, Vim is literally bugging. What the heck happened to Vim? K, J, L, the normal one. What the heck is going on? What is this? Okay, visual works. And now it's fine. Okay. What the hell was that? Do I not know Vim? Okay. Uh, so we have four of this. Okay, return. Okay. So we're gonna do different top value. Yeah. Run. Oh my god. What is this? Hey, this is topping. I don't think that's how it goes. Tiki, where's this? Pop. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's the one we want. 1 sec. Ooh. Do we have something here? Why is it the opposite? Wait, why is the smallest one in the top? Did it even do anything? I don't know if it did anything. Yeah. Oh, compare first elements. Okay. So I guess we don't want to compare first elements. We want to compare second elements, and then we want to order based on that. So I guess we need to like swap it. What's okay? Can we like swap it or something? Oh, there is. Pairs use content to swap. STD swap pairs use content. Okay. I think that's kind of the way I want to do it. I'm gonna go down here and then I'm gonna say hideouts per swap per hideout first, hideout second. And then no matching function to function. Pairs. Let's be before. But that's not what I want to do. My God. I just want to swap the actual whatever. I think I can just do that like hide up first. Is that the only way? This is not what I just do. Oh, that's what I did. So I want to pair it off first. The hash map stored. Okay, yeah, so it should swap. Oh, what is it about? Yeah, I could do direct assignment, but I want to know why this doesn't work. Go back to the stuff. Bruh. Okay. Do I really have to do this, dude? It should not be this complicated. So what? Oh, it's cons. Oh, I can't. Why is this not working? Yeah, it's literally exactly what I did. I think it's whatever. Okay. What the? No. I guess this auto thing is messing me up because I don't know if this is a pair or not. Let me just see if this works. Pair. Then now I can do, or no. What? Why does it just go crazy? What is this? Oh, is it because caps lock? Oh, it's because of caps lock. Yeah. Okay. Guess that kind of makes sense. At least for now. No. Go out and then see pair. Yeah, so we ordered a pq.swap. Or see swap. Maybe now? Or is it gonna throw an error? There's no matching content. I dot first. Let me try something. What? Surfer pointer. Finally. Okay. Now STDL 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? Why? What? Is this? Oh. Maybe it works. First is 3, 2, 1. Okay. I think that worked. Way too complicated. This should not be this complicated, but I think that worked. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we just want to do we just want to get the top two. So we want to just say int k equals 0, k is less than, or I guess int I equals 0, and then I is less than k plus I. And then we just, it's probably the worst way to do it, but I guess this is the only thing I can think of. Vector int result. Then we just need this. And then we just say vector no. Result. Oh, we could just say what? I forgot how to do this. Okay. Okay. And then now we can just say result I equals pq dot first. And then we just return result. Oh. Go. 4. Oh. PQ dot. I think this is PQ dot call dot first. I'll put a 0, 0 except for 1, 2. Put a 0. What? Is it always there? False is here. Interesting. Oh, first. Okay. Price. Oh my god. 3-2. Why is it 3-2? Oh yeah, it's second. Okay, there we go. I think we got it. Finally. Yeah, I didn't use too many hints. I mean, I kind of did, but I don't know if this is the best solution though. Let's just check. I'm pretty. You know what? How long did that take me? I used like one small hint that I need to use a ordered or I need to use the priority queue. But other than that, I just used everything else was just learning about how C++ works. Let's see. So that was 41 minutes. Okay, it took me 40 minutes. Not terrible. Could be better. Could be better. But regardless. Okay, let's just recap what we did. So we're trying to find the k most frequent elements. So in my perspective, if the thing is not ordered, like your vector or like your array is not ordered, the only way I think for now, for the information I have, the only way to get the most frequent or like just frequent elements in general is through a hash map. So this question has, from what I understand till now, has to use a hash map in some way, shape, or form, which is what we did first. We used a hash map, and we just added we just did the regular thing for each number as a value. We store the size. Then we iterate through that hash map, right? We swap the first and second in the hash map, right? And then we push that to something called a priority queue. A priority queue, allegedly, this is new information to me. I don't know how a priority queue works. Let me just read a little bit more about it. Priority queues, just to understand how exactly this thing works. So the first element is always the greatest of the elements it contains. Okay, strictly. What am I hearing? What is this song? Get me out. Let me play some. Let me play this. Okay, cool. Makes me feel smart. Yeah, we have so it just everything you push into this priority queue, it just has everything ordered already. So the largest element is going to be at the top. And in this scenario, we're pushing a pair onto the priority queue, right? And the priority queue is going to sort by pair dot first. So that's why we needed to swap it so that it can sort by the value of the the frequent elements value. We want to sort by that. So we push that, and then it's sorting by that. And then we iterate through that priority queue, and we're adding whatever it gives onto a result or an array. And we're adding the second value because the second value is now our actual value. And then we return that result. Yeah. Think that's probably the best I could do with this. I don't know if I can do any better. Let me just see if I can. Or GG V G boom boom Y. Let's see. This is my solution. Ways to optimize. I had to learn how to. Okay, for some reason this swap didn't work. Initially, I don't still understand why it didn't work, but now it does because I had to make like a temp thing with I dot first and I dot second. For some reason, this pair doesn't work. I'm not sure exactly why. I thought I could just swap it and then push it, but it didn't work. So I had to use a temporary variable where I do I dot first, I dot second, then switch it around and then do it. It didn't take. It wasn't too different, but you know. That was something we had to figure out. Let's see if this is well structured. Okay. Directly use pair in the loop. Use a custom comparative. Okay, what does it say? Yeah, yeah. Okay, that is not necessary. Whatever this is. Definitely not necessary. Ah, I'm stupid. Why am I doing this? I'm so stupid. Yeah, that should have been so obvious. What? What's wrong with me? Yeah, that's so stupid. So, yeah, that should have been so obvious. I'm sorry, guys. So this one, I could literally just do this and then say pair dot second over here and then pair dot first. Because it's just a pair and then it's just kind of not first. That should just work the same way. Or, why am I saying pair? It's I. God damn it. Let me get that. How do you move, like, faster? Oh, yeah, it's B and... Wait, I forgot it then. It's B for this to go backwards and W for forwards. I just start using that. I do this. It's the same thing as just saying B and W. Okay, I just started using this one. Cool. Learning Vim. Just like learning this, okay. Submit. Huh? How did that make my efficiency worse? That doesn't make any sense. Hello? What the heck? It's nlog n. Okay. So why is this so random? It was 100% when I first did it. Okay, whatever. Cool. Let's move on to the next question. So let's close all this stuff. Okay, roadmap, do this. I want to do a two-pointer. Let's do threesome. Okay. Given an integer array nums, return the triplets such that I is not. Whoa. Let me just see. So why am I lagging so much? Array nums return all the triplets I, j, k such that I is not equal to j, I is not equal to k. Give me a second, guys. I need to update something before I do this. Okay. Return leaves 1860. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. All right, I'm back. Let's see. Very good. Okay, given an integer array nums, return all triplets such that I is not equal to j. Okay. Ooh. Must not contain duplicate triplets. Okay. Is there only one solution? Oh no, there's multiple. Okay, so you need to return all solutions. Okay, that's fair. Is there any constraints? Nothing important. Cool. So just return triplets, and they're not supposed to be equal to each other. Oh. Okay, the values can be the same, but yeah, you can have two negative ones. They just can't be the same number itself. Okay, that's fair. So this is a. I think this has to be a hash map. I'm gonna really quickly look at my two sum just to see how I did it. I think I just used a hash map and then just an order map intent. What the heck did I do? Oh, this is target 9. Okay. So this one we just want 0. But age is not equal to map dot end. What should I do here? Map dot find temp. Oh, right. Okay. If it is not equal to map dot end, return this, else return. There's only one solution for this though. Ours doesn't have one solution. It can have any. Okay. Cool. Let's get back here. We want to do. Sorry. Think. Okay. So vector, vector, int. So this is a vector triplet. It's gonna be a result, and then we're given nums. Okay, 3 sub. So obviously we want to use the hash. So I'm gonna make that as vector. Or let's see. And then I think it's indents. I think my math. And it's 4. For you can just do this. Just inside nums. We obviously want to do my math. Or we're not trying to find the actual value from this. We're just trying to find a target. We want to find 3 numbers which are. So let's see. 3 numbers which does it add up to? To let's see. Damn. Okay, I need to look at the two sum. I'm kind of forgetting how I even did that. Oh shoot. No, go back. Problem list. Open this new tab. Okay. What did I do here? So I did temp, and then I said temp is target minus this, and we're just trying to find that in the hash map. And because find is O of 1 operation. How does it even work? Return, where's my return is this. Oh, I'm returning this, okay. If it's not equal to this, it's this, and then map. Okay, so this find is basically finding another value or another key, right? And it's that key, and we can, I think we can somehow find that key in O of 1 time because of the hash or whatever. And then we're saying if that is not map.end, we're returning that I value, and then we're returning it.second. Fine. Else we're saying map nums I. So whatever. So in this case, this would be nums I. So this is, let's just say we're doing 2, and then 2 equals 1. I see. So this is storing the value in the first one, and the second one is going to be your location. So value and array, what is it called? Whatever. It's value and location, right? So if it's able to find temp, it's returning. If it's not storing value and location, right? So it's gonna do 2 first. And then the second time you iterate, it's gonna do 7 minus 9 or whatever. And then it's gonna see if that number exists, or 7, or 9 minus 7, and it's gonna find that, okay, 2 exists in all of one time. And then it's gonna return, since we found for 7, it's gonna return that number, and then it's gonna, whatever IT it's found, it's gonna return the second one. Okay. So in this scenario, we're kind of doing that, but we can't just do target minus this because we need it to be 0, and it's gonna be 3 numbers, and then they all need to be 0. Interesting. Okay, so 3 numbers, -1, -1, 2. Okay, how do we do this? And are we returning what are we returning? We're returning the actual value this time. So we're not returning the indices. So we don't care about the indices. We just care about the actual value. So which means the second slot of our hash map can probably have a number, and then we probably store through that number. So okay, let me think. Okay, so that's what we need to figure out. What is map.second going to be? So if we iterate through the first one, -1. So what is map.second going to be? No idea. But somehow we need to make the connection that -1, 0, and then 1 is going to give us 0. Interesting. So we can do something like -1. What's this one? When we go to the second element, we could do that element. I guess when we're here, it doesn't matter. I think we want to iterate in threes because we have to find a triplet. So it would make much more sense, or it makes sense to me, to go, instead of going here and then checking, going here checking, we should only check when we're here to see if this is a triplet, right? Then we can start here and check if any of them are a triplet. Then here and then triplet. Then here, then triplet. Maybe? or I guess that doesn't really matter. But what we want to do is say, uh, so let's just say we're at 1, right? And we have 0 and -1. You want to do something like 1 minus or 1 plus whatever value those both combine to. So if I did something simple like -1, or when I go to 0, I say the second value for 0 is just 0 plus -1. So if the map is like 1 something, I don't know, and then 0, -1, and then the third one is just 1, and then we're trying to find 1 plus -1, or yeah, so if you say 1 plus -1 is 0, then we can say that it's 0 is part of it, and then because we did 0 plus 1, that's part of it. And then we can find this. Then let's just say we do that, and then we can do that. This is kind of the way I see it. Okay, and then we can do the next one, 2. 2, and then we want 2 plus something equal to 0. I don't see anything right now, so this is just nothing. Then we're back to -1. -1 plus something equals 0. So we need to figure out what this 2 needs to be, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, this 2 is part of it, which means we need to figure out what this number over here it needs to be so that this -1 can follow with the 2. So we could do something like, so what would that value be? Because we want this to be +1, which means we want to add 2 and -1, which means this would become 1. If we added 2 and -1 over here, this would become 1, and then -1 plus 1 would be 0, which means we would figure out that we want -1, 2, and wait, that's wrong though. We want -1, 2, and -1. One, 1, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. We need to figure out what the pairs need to be. I think this is how you do it. I don't have any other ideas for this. When we start off with 1, what do we want that pair to be? We have nothing. So it's just like 1 is 1. Fine. 1 is 1. Then 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. This one's 2. Was it 1? 1, 0, -1 or 1, 0, 1? Oh, -1, sorry. -1, 0, 1, 2, -1, -4. Let's turn on the music a little bit. Is anyone watching my stream? Oh, I'll fall. -1, 0. Okay. So, but what is our target? Um, wait, what is our code? Okay, so this should be at least like not too bad. So what they're telling us to we want to fix x and we want to just do two sum. I guess that works. Okay, so I guess what they're trying to say is, um, so we want two values, 2 and 1, or some. Oh, sorry, some value target minus int on shoot. So it's done. I have no idea. Okay, so let me go back to that. Okay, so we want to start -1. We want a negative 1 plus some value that's -1. So -1 is our target. That makes sense. So target is -1. So target is equal to I, right? So we want to just do two sum on target I. So it was something like well, that makes sense to me. I think. What is it? My map for auto IT equals my what was it? Map.find. Yeah. It was map.find. So map or my map dot find I or if IT is not equal to my map dot or my map dot end. For some reason this end is like I don't even know. Then we say we return something here, right? Or we don't return anything. We have to vec result plus equal something here. And then else we just move on. Or no, we don't even know. Well, we don't. Our hash map doesn't have all the values added. I guess you can go forward and then backtrack because you can always find some value. No, but then our two sum is okay. And then we just do my map I, and then how do you? Okay, and then how do you? Uh, what is our value gonna be? Is it just? Wait. Your target is I. Basically, what they're saying is you iterate through it, and then your target is going to be the first value, right? But the problem is. So I guess you need a double for loop. But that's gonna be O of n squared, dude. What? There's no way it's that bad. Is this really O of n squared? Whatever, I'll just do O of n squared. Or no. There's no way. I'm not doing O of n squared. Come on. This has to be better than that. Let's see. Times. Right. Okay. We want to fix I. So something plus something is our target. So target minus x. Right. Int target equals. What is our target? So -1, we want to find a value, which is. We want. I don't get it. Yeah, so I mean, I guess we can make it like we can make it so that we have double for loop and then we just iterate through. But that's all of n squared, I think. Is that really what we want to do? Yeah. Okay. I have Fad. What's up, Fad? How do I have chat right next to me? Oh, and I got my first viewer, bro, and I just noticed my first real viewer. How do I check? Wait, give me a second, guys. I'm trying to figure out how to open chat. Is that like view, scene list, multi-view? These, how do you, docs? There we go. Chat. Yes, I have chat. What's up, Fab? Are you still here? Who's Fab? Okay. iPad. Who is this guy? Please tell me it's a random person. Please tell me someone I don't know. One sec. I don't even know. I'm just gonna go back to work. I have no idea how to do this. I'm too stupid for this. Yeah, it is. He says it's all event square. So yeah, that's probably not what I want to do then. Because I mean, the hint says you want to do this, but about second. Yeah, to find the number Y. So the search becomes faster. Can we change our array somehow? What? Like, I don't know. How do you do this? Yo, I'm about to crash out soon. Yo, Fab will keep hating. My fault, dude. I'm kind of slow. I just started it. Right, chill out. Oh, okay. Can we change our array somehow? If we fix to say x, we have to scan the entire array to find the next number y. Exactly, which is the value x. Which is value. Wait, what? Which is value x worth it? Can we change our array somehow so that this search becomes faster? Oh my god, what? So you wanna subtract that value from all the values in the array so that your search becomes faster? I don't know. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. I don't understand anything. No. We could somehow do like -1, -1, -1, -1, and then we can have a new array, which is basically just, which is that. Then we can try doing that, but that seems so inefficient. Maybe we have a hash map, and then in the hash map we store, the key is this, and then the value is that -1 or minus whatever target, and then if that target, and then, well, that's what I was trying to do before, but uh, I seriously can't do this. Lol, just a random guy. It's different from Susan. Have you ever took my in college? Yes, I'm 18. Have you ever heard of two? Oh wait, is this a two-pointer? Fuck! Oh my god, I forgot. Wait, I'm actually trolling. Hold on, this. Oh, this is supposed to be a two-pointer question, dude. You're right. I just realized. I just realized. I forgot about that. Yo, I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash now. I forgot. I forgot. This question was supposed to be two-pointer. I thought this was like a hash and whatever, because wasn't twosome. Yeah, twosome wasn't arrays and hashing, so I thought this was. Ah, I thought this was also that. Okay, never mind. This is two-pointer. Alright, need to revise two-pointers. C++. Let's look it up. Really easy and effective to some sort of. Okay, thank God, dude. Thank God he told me about that. Yes, bad. I'm in uni and I'm 18. How about you? Oh, let's see. So 10. Okay, oh, wait, what am I doing? Okay. Given a sorted array, let me see how this works. Wait, okay. Right, okay. Since so we have a target 16. Negative 8 plus 45 is 37. 37 is greater than 16. We need to sort it first. Okay. Deter Decrement the right pointer by 1. Okay. And then now it's negative 8 plus 2. So you want to increment the left pointer. I see. 11. And then you keep incrementing the left pointer. And then you do it again, and then you find it. Okay. I see. Your freshman pointer. Yeah, I mean, the problem is, right? I did data structures and algorithms last semester. Uh, and well, I don't know. For some reason, I'm just kind of scared that I don't have like the intuition for it. Because there's so many people I know who can just kind of just do it, you know, without any problems. Like they immediately know how to solve it. Kind of just like I don't even know how they know that. I don't know. That's the scary part. Maybe I just don't got it in me, you know? Just that's the scary part. But hey, that's why we're grinding. Maybe, hopefully, hard work can beat intuition and talent. Let's just hope that. You grinding for kind of. I'm just trying to get some skills up, just in general. Because I don't feel like I don't feel like I'm particularly too smart. So, just trying to just learn stuff right now. Um, I mean, that the reality is in like I wanted to be like a quant dev, and I heard their questions are crazy, and they hired like extremely smart people, and I saw like some of their questions, and I'm like, yo, I am nowhere close to that, which is why I'm grinding right now. They have like brain teasers and stuff like that, and all of them are just so intuition and stuff like that. And I don't feel like I have enough, so I'm just trying to learn all of this right now. Okay, so we have this two pointer. Ah, is this how this is gonna work for threesome? What are you doing with threesome? Unsorted, sorted. Yeah, so I guess you want to sort the array and then do something, and then find something that adds to the target. Uh, but that seems really bad in terms of efficiency. Not sure. Let's think. So in this case, I guess I just want to do this, but then my target is just my number, like that. Uh, the target is the I because that number plus, wait, so if I have one, I want to find a negative one. That's going to be my target. My target is going to be negative or whatever I have, right? So if I have one, I want to find something that sums to negative one. If I have zero, I want something to zero, right? So, but then if I just use two pointer, for everything beyond like after I find that target and I'm trying to like do 2 pointer for everything. That seems really slow. Maybe I can do that. Maybe that's what I should start off with. Damn quant is harder to get in compared to big tech? I'm in CS right now. Uh, yeah, want to start again? Yeah, that's kind of the reason I'm trying to start early. Maybe once I like when I'm like graduating, maybe I can be smart enough to get in. It's definitely not right now. That's why I'm not even trying for internship right now. Because quant seems way too difficult. But maybe if I grind it out, I can be sort of smart to do it. Anyways, I don't know. Maybe I should do the event. Okay, let me just search up. What is best time complexity for reason? Oh, it is O of n squared. Or what? Okay, so it is O of n squared. It's also much more math heavy, like stats. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to like. Yeah, I'm trying to be a quant dev, so I'm hoping it's not as much. I'm still gonna learn all of it, but we'll see. Algebra usually requires R to be in a particular order. Yeah, it says you need to sort it. So I guess I'm sorting it first, but do I actually have to do that manually or do I just type dot sort? Because I think C++ has, yeah, it has this, right? So I can just dot sort it, but do I have to do it myself or do I have to? Whatever. I'll just do it like this. Uh, let's see. Nums dot or okay, why is this like this? I'm so confused. What the V dot begin? Okay, so it just sorts the existing one. That's not that good. Okay, nums dot. What's it? Begin end. Okay, begin. Okay, so now we have this as. Guess it doesn't really matter if we sort it because well we don't care about the indexes anyways. We just care about the actual number. Now we have this sorted. Now we wanna. I guess we want to pick one of the values and then we just want to 2 pointer our solution. So yeah. Correct. -1, and then 4, and I cannot type. Jesus. Okay, so now we say if I guess we want to start at 1. No, no, no. And then we set the 2 pointer and then we just go for it, I guess. Why am I doing V by the way? It's nums. Then I guess we wanna nums equals 0. Yeah, so I guess we want another one. I in for Right, so if we start here, so this is gonna be our target. we iterate through this array, then we go here, and then we skip this, and then we just do -1, 1, 2, -1, 4, as if that doesn't even exist. I think. I think that's how that works. So when we go to 1, we want to act like 1 doesn't exist, and we want to just do all these. So yeah, I guess we want to, for int j equals 0. And then we just want to have an if loop or if statement inside saying as long as it's not equal to that, if j is not equal to I, probably. Man, this is much more. Maybe I'm overcomplicating it. There's no way it's this much, but whatever. Then we have another if statement asking if our I is or num's I is our target, right? So if num's I is greater than, what was the two-pointer technique again? We start here, left plus right. Okay. Wait, shoot. This left plus right, I guess we want to do it inside the loop. Yeah, fair enough. Uh, yeah, int left, also format this real quick. Yeah, int left equals, our left is always going to be, so if we're here, we want to do I plus 1, but if I is here, you want to start at 0. What the heck is this, dude? How do I? Oh, I'm grinding out. Because we want to skip. I guess it doesn't matter really, because we were skipping this anyways. Are we? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Use two-pointer. Usually two-pointer uses a while loop, while left is less than R. It's easier to follow. Ooh. Let me actually see the code for this. Let's see what they do. Ah, I see. So they're saying, what is this? So you're telling me I don't need this thing at all, and I just do while left is equal to right, or while left is less than right. Okay, let's try that. But then where's left? Left is determined over here. Okay. Okay. So then while left, right. And I guess we can just set this up over here, or do we want to set it? Oh, and then I get if left is not equal to right or something. No. So this needs to be in an if loop, some sort of if loop saying if left is not equal to I and if right is not equal to I, something like that. I mean, there's no way. And that's okay. So I want to write this. Do I want to write this here or Guess it doesn't really matter. Int left equals 0. Int right equals size right. And then if this is less and it's not I, there you just increment sum equals target. Oh yeah, you want to do int sum. Int sum equals nums left plus nums right. And then we want to say if this is not equal to turn true or else. Okay. So if sum equals Ri, we want to do something else, or else if sum is less than I or greater than I. If our sum is greater, then we want to write minus ones. Or write plus. Sure. I don't even want to live usually after. I'm too dumb for this, honestly. I should just give up all this and just become a farmer. And like, I don't know, Wyoming or something. Why do I even try? Well, why does that work? Okay, yeah, if sum equals this, what do I do now? Is it I do in the result I say result it's like I and then it's like nums left and then like nums right as well. So this sure. And then I need to do like I plus plus. Where do I do that? Is that here? No, this is while loop. So it's like, or no, that's already done. Never mind. So it's going through. The heck is this, dude? Is this really how this is supposed to work? I feel like I'm making some mistake. Return result. You're not specially checking for I. That's the index you want it. You should put LR initialization to the first loop level to reset each outer iteration. The first loop level, yes. Look, it's the first loop. You're not specially checking for I. You want the value at nums at the target of zero. For the triplets, you want to get values to 100. Oh, you're right. What am I doing? Okay. Why, dude? Why? What's going on? I didn't even understand what's going on. Let me try to see what's going on. So I have this. I sorted it. For loop. Then I'm doing left 0, right 0. Well, left is less than right. So this is just whatever this is. Right? And I'm saying if int sum nums left plus nums right. Yeah, and if sum equals I. By the way, I need this to be negative I, probably. How do I do that? Do I just do negative like that? No way, that's... Let me use it. Yeah, negative target. Exactly, exactly. Yeah. So can I just do this? So we're checking L plus R is equal to negative target, right? Exactly. Yeah. So is that just negative? Just do it like this. I don't know. I'm too cooked. I'm too cooked. I hope this is just works. Whatever. Result yeah. So if it's negative target, which means that sum of this plus negative I, or this is going to be whatever's negative. That means that plus I is going to equal 0, which means result I is this, this, and this. Else, then we just do our little 2-pointer and then we lose. I don't know. Is this going to work? Oh, my fault. Semicolon. We're not the negative index. Oh yeah, you're God damn it, dude. You're too smart, man. Who are you, bro? Who are you? Who is this guy? Did I get some like Google employee or something in here watching me? Also, is this gonna work? I don't know if this is this how this works? It's like, please. No, it's time limit exceeded. What did I do? While left is less than right, left is right. Did I do this wrong? Sum is less than target. Guess this doesn't even make any sense, but let me just do this. It says left plus plus. Yeah. I mean that should work. But I don't know if this negative nums thing even works. This doesn't. Let's just do it. Can you turn some into by just doing this in C++? I don't know. Oh, okay. So that works, I guess. Negative nums I. Why is this if loop never stopping? This is plus I, less than num size. Left is less than right. You don't update right or left pointers in the equals condition. That's infinite loop. Do I just wait? If I do find it, do I just break out of the loop? Is that the plan here? Because if I do find it, that means for this particular I found it, which means I break out of this while loop and then go back to the for loop. Is that how breaks work? I'm pretty sure that's how breaks work, right? Break C++. You like break out of the first loop and exit a loop and switch command from any other point in the logic line. Yeah. So once we find this result I, that means we're done with whatever calculation for this I value, which means we want to do this. Also, I just realized we're gonna have duplicates, won't we? That's a problem for another. We're probably gonna have duplicates. And also, why is this? It's still time limited. What? Am I supposed to return something? You don't update right or left pointers in equal condition on line 16. Well, do I need to update my right or left? Just this. I thought I'd just break out of the loop or whatever. What do I? So I guess if I do this, this is right minus minus is going to become less than that. But that's not what I want. I just want it to be. How is this still an infinite? Oh. I just wanted to break. Why is it not breaking? Wait, let me try figuring this out. If I break out of this loop the moment I find this result value, Oh, that's only breaking out of the if statement. No, no, that's a statement. Yeah, it should break out of the loop. What is break? Exit loop for 95. Yeah, beautiful. Yes, that's what I want. So if I break here, it should break out of this while loop the moment it finds this, and if it doesn't, they should update, and then the moment they like go past each other, this while loop should automatically break. Am I tripping? What's the problem here? What the heck? What is the problem? Sum equals equals. So if sum is equal to that, then it breaks. If it's not, it updates the pointer. And then eventually, if it's never equal, then it's just going to go beyond it, which means that this thing should automatically break. While left is less than right. Maybe this for loop isn't breaking? Or exiting I is less than num star size. Equals I. Oh, I think maybe this is the problem. Yeah, that's probably the problem. I guess it's just this is wrong. Okay. While left is not equal to I, if left is not equal to I and right is equal to I. There's something wrong with that statement, and I don't know what. And if I just get rid of, will we get rid of my problems? No, I think I definitely need that, but left is not equal to this. So in this case, if it's zero, left is zero. Ah, I guess if it's not, I don't update it outside the loop. I see. Else, we have to do. Okay, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I see the problem. I see the problem. I see it. But then, okay, uh, I have to do something like. I guess this doesn't matter. So what I need to do is I need to go down and say, if left equals I have to do left plus plus, and then else or if right equals I, right, minus, what did I do? Minus. What the? There we go. Comment. Maybe this will work. Nope. Non-zero offset 24 to null pointer. What? Null point. Or, yeah. Like, is this supposed to be this hard? This isn't supposed to be hard, right? Am I trolling? It's not supposed to be this hard. Am I actually just stupid? No. No. Left is this. Left is zero. Okay. Int left is zero. Int right is this. While left is less than right. Okay. If left is equals I, then you just add one. So in this scenario, when we're starting off with the first element, right? Left is this as well. So because they're equal, it just goes left plus one. And then it just does its thing. And then And then when we go on, right? When we move on, I don't think we need to do right at all. Because unless right is the last element, yeah, I guess we do need that. But this should not be a problem. And in sum is this. If sum is this, then is this even doing anything, dude? I'm actually touching out. Hi. Actually, no, this is not even going to work because the system's crashing. Okay. If right equals I, right minus 1. Applying non-zero off the 24 decimal pointer. Okay. Yes, you'll have dupes. Okay. Now I just saw like a bunch of messages from Fab. Also, you should have initialized left to I plus 1, not 0, by the way, the condition 113 isn't needed. I plus 1. Why I plus 1? So what if, no, but if I is 1, right? We, oh, because we already calculated the, wait, what? Is that how that works? Also, you can try to log in console to debug. Yeah, I think that requires premium, and I haven't paid. The reason you don't break is because there can be more combinations down the line, so we don't need to break early. Interesting. So let's just do. So if we find the solution, what do we find one solution? So why do I not see your messages in real time? Is this like some troll? Anyways, um, okay, wait. So first we do I plus 1. You said condition line 13 is not needed. Oh, I guess I removed that. I guess we don't need this condition. But why? Because if it's, I'm not even going to question. I'm gonna hope this works and then I'll do this. First this, and then you want to simultaneously update both pointers? Is that the play here? You can std out and check the outputs and test the two. Also, the answer requires to find all combinations. What is fun? Yeah, I don't think I can debug stuff, but I need to std out. Oh, this is not supposed to be this hard. So wait, you said I plus 1, but let's just say we start I here, right? So you're saying, yeah, left is I plus 1. But what if I is 1 itself? Then we're going 2. So we don't care about this value in this calculation? What if 2, what if this was like something which is part of the solution for this? Am I missing something? Okay, also the errors might look like setting the result answer index. If you console log in your program, you can see it in the test result window. Okay, fine. Let me just, I don't know. Let me just put a bunch of stuff. Results. Uh, the, wait, how do you go to the beginning of a line? Is it dollar? No, it's not dollar. That's end of a line. What's beginning? Shoot. Zero? Oh, that goes to the entire thing. But what about? Oh, it's underscore. Okay. Okay. So we just. Anyways, this is not what I care about right now. I'm trying to do this and go to bed. It's like 11:30 and I have school tomorrow. I'm so fucking cooked. I'm so tired. I can't think. I can't think. Okay, you're right. It did print once. I don't understand what's going on. One second. So wait, it's so tired. This is such a mess. So it is printing this, and then for some reason, the reason we set left to I plus one is that the previous loop we already checked for all possible values from the previous target. Let's see one to the next index and notice each check. Ah. So if we start at we check everything. Then we go here. Ah, I see. So we don't need to check this anymore because this was already checked for this. We just checked forward. So then we check this, then we check this. Okay. Cool. So that means that thing is not necessary. Num dot size minus one, I plus y left is this result. This is definitely something wrong here. I don't exactly know. I just want the freaking thing to work first, so that I just want to break and see if this at least works, but it doesn't seem to even work. Is it because my int result is like, I don't know, is this supposed to be like, I thought this was dynamic. Is this not allowed to just say I is this or whatever? Oh, I see. Actually, I don't see, but I kind of see. This is always going to be zero, so it's probably overwriting. Actually, that's not even a problem. Why is this not working then? Don't use C++, but it seems like like you are, wait, wait, wait. Like you're assigned an index I to a vector R result. Shouldn't you append it? Yeah, the reason I did that, yeah, I mean, that could be the case, but the reason I did that was because I thought this for I is going to be updating, but I guess this could do multiple times. But that's why I thought breaking would be appropriate, but I guess we want to append it. Yeah, because I thought or push back is what we want to do, I guess. So I guess we can just do that. It's not really bad. Underscore back. Yeah, the reason I did I equals whatever is because I thought, wait, yeah, I thought it's because we have this I, which is gonna update every time we do this, but I guess that's not the case. And we don't want to break, you said. We just want to update the thing. So I guess we want to do this. That should not be I don't know. Is that the problem? No? Oh, kind of worked. 101. Well, that's obvious. Yeah, these are not tests. Okay. So this is correct, and then but then 101 is supposed to be negative 101, and then it added an extra 201. Interesting. I thought we want to break after one solution. What happens if we just break it? I'm just curious. I just want to see what happens. Okay. So this is correct, but then this is wrong. How's that even possible? How could it even do that? Two, three. I literally. How is it pushing back something that's not equal to this? Some has to equal negative nums I, right? What? Two. Am I tripping? I'm assuming you didn't assign a fixed size to results, so you can't access. Yeah, but that. Wait. Is C++ array not dynamic? Oh my god. So if I have vector int my R, and then I do my R 0 equals 5. Is it calling it? Okay, so you have to use pushback. Wonderful. So it's just less C++ knowledge from me. My fault, my fault. You're right. That's also like dynamic filling. Anyways, now next problem is this 201. How does this happen? How the hell did this happen? Guess we don't want to break. We do want to do left plus plus. But then that adds an extra value. I'm not even sure if that's what we want. Because I think we only want one solution per high value. I don't understand why we would want multiple. Because that's going to cause duplicates, probably? No? Return result. I don't understand. This sum has to be left plus right. So if we're doing left plus right here, this value, it's saying 0 plus 1 is equal to -2. How's that possible? How? How is that happening? 0 plus 1. Oh. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So we just need to break here, and then we're done. Yeah. I just figured that out. My fault. Yeah, and then now this should work. Finally, after 10 freaking years. Oh, it still doesn't work. I'm gonna kill myself. It still doesn't work. I guess you're right. Maybe we need to do left plus plus and right minus minus. I guess I was wrong, but what? But it didn't work for this. Why? Why did it not work for this one? -1s or 1. It's adding duplicates. So I guess if they're equal, we don't want it. I don't know. I guess we want to say something like if whatever is inside result, don't push it. I guess. I don't know. Is that the is that the meta? I mean, how are you gonna check that? Isn't that also an O of N operation to check if it's inside the array already? Arnum's means left and right. What the heck? Is why still what? I'm so confused. Wait, I don't even understand why it's doing a duplicate. So in the first one, goes here, finds these. Yeah, I guess when it goes to 0, it finds it again. But then it doesn't find it again when it go to 1, 0, and 8. It's interesting. Oh, because it does this, and then it goes in second. Hash set. User, wait. User result use a set for result and convert it back afterwards. That's the quick fix solution hash set. What the heck? Wow, okay. Now I need a hash set in C++. What is the syntax for that? Unordered set, data type name, okay. Where's my leetcode? I'm actually losing my mind. Is this really, yo, if they asked if they asked me this in an interview, I don't know what I'm about to do. Dude, I don't even want to try doing an interview in my current state. This is just embarrassing. Oh my God. This is disgusting. What is, do we just insert stuff or does hash set only or remove duplicates? I think that's what a hash set does. I think that's why you told me to do that. Wait, duplicate entries are allowed? Oh, no, 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 no. No duplicate entries are allowed. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. We want to insert. I guess we want this to be a vector int. Sorry. Vector int. And then we just do my set over here. My set. Yeah. So we dot insert. You never learned of hash set. It's an easy way to avoid dupes. Yeah, I mean, I did it, but you know, I have bad memory. uh, is there an easy way to convert it? Hash set to array. See what's first. Okay, you just literally iterate through it. I don't think there's a function for that. Wow, cool. You haven't learned hash set. Well, they didn't teach me in class, that's for sure. They taught me some like basic stuff, but definitely nothing. Maybe that's in my third year. I think they teach all the important stuff in like 3114, which is like the third. Yeah. For what am I doing again? Oh yeah. So I guess this is just gonna be my. Guess I want to have this vector over here. P, and then this is gonna be uh my set dot begin my set dot end. I think this is how you initialize, right? Yeah. Then we do for int I, or no, we can just do it quickly. Yeah, int element and array element, or I guess this is a vector int. I just do auto. I'm too lazy for this. My set results dot push back. That's how I did it. Push underscore back on. Yeah, when you solve this problem, you can see the other condition is based on avoid these will so but of course a bit more work comes on the solutions. Okay. Unordered. Can't spell anymore. Dude, Vim is so hard. I don't understand how. I mean, I guess I'll get faster than unordered set. Wait, what? Oh, I guess I need to. Can I? Is it not insert? Oh wait, that's not even the problem. Implicitly delete the. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna know what I'm doing wrong. Vector. My set. What am I even doing wrong? I don't even understand. Con- Vector. Can I not do an unordered set with vector into? Is this not allowed? I mean, that's the only way I can do it, right? Is that not allowed? Do I need to do it in some other fashion? Can you have an unordered set of arrays? Bruh, what the frick? What is this? What the heck is this, dude? Vector hash? Bruh. Or I guess I can just add all the values uh in like another way, like a order like a triplet or something. Tuple. Custom struct. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. I want destroy. Skip duplicates. Python is so much easier, lol. True. How do you do this? Oh my god. What is this? The fuck is this? What the heck? Nope, I'm not doing that. What's the simplest way? Yeah, maybe I should just switch to Python. It's probably even more useful. I don't know why I like to torture myself like this. I'm not even smart enough to torture myself. If I was like, some MIT smart ass dude, maybe it'd be worth it, you know, to like do this because I'm smart enough, so it kind of offsets. But I'm dumb, but I also want to do smart things. It's kind of it's kind of sad. This is not simplicity, guys. This is not simplicity. I'm gonna have to find another way to do this. This is awesome. Skipping duplicates. Like Python, it automatically hashes a tuple. Looks like it's gonna use some hash function. That's correct. I'm trying to think of another way to do this because there has to be a simple way. There's no way the freaking solutions have a hash function embedded within it, or like another hash map or something. There's no way. There has to be a simpler way to do it. Unordered set. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. No, I can think of like storing it as a string and then getting the characters out, but that's like this is so complicated. I'm gonna look at least one solution. There's no way. It's too late. I don't know how else to do this. That's the kind of solution. I need to know in C++. plus plus. Yes, that's what set. That's what he did too. Oh, is it? Is it just set? Does that like make it work better or something? Magically? Wait, what? Set versus unordered. That was, okay, let me just read what you did. So you did set, you did all that as the same. Yeah, exactly as you did it. S dot insert. What? What the hell? What? Oh, but yeah, that's also what I did. Well, this is literally exactly what I did. Why did it not work for me? Why am I just too? That's exactly what I did. What the heck? That was the problem? That was the problem? Set vector in. What's the difference? Wait, so if I had an unordered set, it's not gonna work? What the wait, wait, wait. Scan search. Uh, do both sets and unordered sets prevent duplicates? What's I've only used unordered sets. I don't think. Oh, they both just prevent duplicates. Okay. Or it's that elements stored. Okay. Shouldn't unordered set technically work because it's already. Dude, how useless is ChatGPT? I don't get it. I literally asked it, "Can you do something?" And it just told me you need a hash function. It just tell me, okay. I don't get it. You correct that while it will prevent duplicates, storing why words and the elements are compared using a comparator. Okay, I see. So this just uses a comparator. But this uses a hash function, which means it can't compare two things if it's not vector. Dude, how am I supposed to know this? How am I supposed to know this? Like, this is not even fair. Okay, so I guess finally, after 20 years, I don't even know how long I've been streaming for. Way too long. I've solved two medium questions. I don't even know if I can be proud of this. It's I started streaming 2 hours ago. The first question was that what the what's that? Hello? Is this normal? What the- wait. What am I doing wrong? Let me look at their solution. J plus plus. It's all exactly the same. Auto. Oh, is this Python? Wait, what? It's because it's one. Okay. Set. Resolve dot push underscore back. Time complexity. 2 n square log n. Wow. Is that submit again? I wanna see if that was just can I add less complexity? Fuck. Yeah. I don't get it. Is it supposed to be but that is wait, looks like on order testing the hash function, yeah, you're right. That the low level programming you want to learn low. Python does all that. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's why I actually did C++. It's also both C++ and Python. I'm gonna keep grinding. That's enough for today. But is this wait, I didn't ask. Uh what time complexity is the solution for the sum problem? O of n squared. This is saying it's O of n square log n or something. O of n square log n type. What the fuck? Oh, because this dominant is just O of n squared. Okay. Is there a better complexity for this problem? Wow. Okay. That was difficult. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to keep up. It's log n due to set. Do you mean the lookup time for set is log n? Oh, I see. Wait, what about wait, what? What about the sorting? Isn't that also log n? Or is that n log n? Unordered set is O of one. I see. So if we had a hash function or something specific for the vectors, then that probably be common script. But I still think this is n log n for this one for sorting. So I think it wouldn't have changed by much. Okay, so let me just reiterate. I mean, let me just try to understand what we did. So we have so we're using one as we're fixing one value and we're checking if we can find the negative of that value as a sum in any of this. So this is just two sum over here, but with two pointers, right? Because we want negative because if we add it to this, then we can say, okay, that's zero. So we don't care about this for now. So we're sorting it so we can use two pointers. Then we're going one, and we're doing left I plus one, and we're doing that because we already checked all possible things with this, so we don't need to do it again. So if we go here, this already checked -1 and 0, so we don't need to do that. Okay. And then right is, yeah, that's just normal. Then left is equal to, left is less than right. Sum is just whatever values we're at. And then sum is equal to this, and then insert that into a set because we want to avoid duplicates. But we also want to make sure we get all possible solutions for that. But we want to avoid duplicates. Okay. And then we do left plus plus, right minus minus. We didn't break here because we want to get all possible solutions. Okay. And then if it's less than negative nums, we do left plus plus, right minus minus. Okay. Then we literally we just put all the stuff we got from the set into our results. I'm also confused on why when I did my oh that wasn't the problem. Was it the problem? My set dot begin and I did my set dot end or something? Something along this line. And then it just did not work. Why did that not work? I mean I'm just setting oh whoa. I'm stupid. This is just setting I'm actually just dumb. But the insert in the set is login times it's adding to the n square login. I see. Sorting is n log n, but the n square dominates n log n, but the insert in the set is log n times, so it's adding to the n square log n. The n square dominates n log n. So why doesn't the n square dominate the log n as well? I'm confused. I don't even know. Anyways, so yeah, this is just stupid. Okay, then I just add whatever to the vector and we're done. Wow, that was something. That should not have been the start. I don't even want to know how leak code hard problems, what they look like. And that was some terrible runtime. I don't know who these people are. What type of solutions do they have? What is this? What the fuck is this? J plus K total. I mean, it's kind of similar. This does feel a lot more elegant, but also a lot more harder to understand. Maybe I'll try understanding this tomorrow. Definitely not today. I'm too cooked. The insert is within the while loop. Ah, I see. I see. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. That makes sense. So you meant it multiplies to it. Okay, that makes sense. Got it. I'm gonna end for today. Yo, Fab or Fob. What was your name again? Fab. You should add me. Hold on. All right. See ya. Thanks for the help, dude. I would have definitely not finished it if it wasn't for you.